my proudest moment as an apprentice was when I found the perfect pair of socks for a character because he needed to have his lucky stripy socks, and I found some really good ones in House of Fraser.
Dwi'n hynod o falch o defnyddio'r iaith Cymraeg yn y gweithle ac hefyd yn Ysgol Cymru.
One of my proudest moments when I was working at the BBC was the first time that I realised that I had properly gotten my foot in the door as a trainee, and that was when I was actually holding the boom mic for a scene on Casualty. And then there was also the time that I met a very famous celebrity and I was managing his headphones, David Tennant. But yeah, no, I think that was the biggest wake-up call for me, was when I met someone that famous and they were just treating me as just a casual colleague. I think that was definitely one of the other massive highlights of my career so far, anyways.
My biggest achievement as an apprentice is getting a programme commissioned for ITV Cymru Wales.
So my proudest moment being an apprentice in the BBC was when I was working with a department called SESH. I was able to write and do all my own script work for a podcast, PDPS, so that was really interesting to be able to write it and then see it come to life on the show.